Hello students, today's one word problems that is related to your fraction. So turn your page 54, that is. Up to this much we have discussed about different problems what are given directly. But in this word problems, the problems given in the word form. So first we have to understand what are given. First we have to read and understand, then what that question asks us we have to find out, and according to that we have to write the answers. So first in the page number 54, that is written example 18, Sanya adds 4/7 liter of apple juice to 1/12 half liter of orange juice to make fruit punch. How much Sanya adds 4/7 liter of apple juice to 1/2, that is 1/2 liter of orange juice. He adds to make a fruit punch. How many liters of fruit punch does she have? Already she has apple juice 4/7 liter and 1/2 liter, that is orange juice. So if we mix that is, then it becomes also how many liters now she has? If we add, then we can get the total liter of fruit punch we can get. So quantity of fruit punch, that is 4/7 plus 1/2, and this is unlike these two are unlike fractions because these two fractions having different denominators, that is 7 and 2. So first we have to find out the LCM of the denominators, that is 7 and 2. So the LCM of 7 and 2 is 14. So here it is written 14. Then we know the next step we have to divide this LCM with the denominator of the first fraction, that is 7 here. So when we divide 14 by 7, that is 2, because 7 2s are 14. So this 2 we have to multiply with the numerator, that is 4 here. So 4 into 2 plus we have to divide the LCM again by the denominators of the second fraction. So denominator is 2, so it becomes 2 7s are 14. So this 7 we have to multiply with the numerator of the second fractions. So here numerator is 1, so we have to multiply that 7 in this number in the quotient with the quotient. So 1 into 7, so 4 into 2, that is 8, 1 into 7, that is 7, so 8 7, that is 15/40. Here we can see this is a improper fraction because the numerator is greater than the denominator. So we can convert it into mixed fraction. How? By division. So if we divide the numerator by the denominators, and then only we will get, so 14 1s are 14, so remainder becomes 1. So the quotient we know, that is whole number, remainder is the numerator, and the divisor is the denominator. So the fraction becomes 1/1/14. So Sanya has 1/1/14 liter of fruit punch. In this way, in the page number 55, there are two examples again given, that is example 19. Rita had 3/1/4 meter of red ribbon. She used 2/1/2 meter of ribbon to wrap some gifts. How much ribbon is she left with? First he had how much? She had 3/1/4 meter of red ribbon. Out of that 3/1/4 meter of red ribbon, she only used 2/1/2 meter of ribbon. And how much left? If we subtract, then we will get how much left, because already we know how much she had total, how much she had used also we know. So if we subtract 3/1/4 minus 2/1/2, we will get. So we know to subtract mixed fractions, first we have to convert it into fraction. How? By we have to multiply the whole number into the denominator plus the numerator by 4. So 3 4s are 12 plus 1/4, that is equal to 13/4. So that 13/4 is written here. Similarly for 2/1/2, it becomes 2 2s are 4, 2 into 2 plus 1/2, that is equal to 5/2, because 2 2s are 4 plus 1/2, that is 5/2. So 13 by 4 minus 5 by 2. These two are unlike fractions because these two fractions having different denominators. One is 4, another one is 2. So next step we have to find out the LCM of 4 and 2. We can see 4 and 2 are the multiples of 2. So we can divide it. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. 2 is left, so we can divide it by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 1 remains 1. So 2 into 2, that is equal to 4. So the LCM becomes 4. Next step, we have to divide the LCM by the denominator. So 4, if we divide by 4, that 4 1s are 4. So this numerator we have to multiply with the numerator of the first fraction. This quotient we have to multiply with the numerator of the first fraction. So 13 into 1 minus, again we have to divide the LCM by the denominators of the second fractions. So it becomes 2 2s are 4. These two we have to multiply with the numerator of the second fraction, 5 here. So 5 into 2. So 13 into 1, that is 13. 5 into 2, that is 10 by 4. So it becomes 3 by 4. Hence C has how much? 3 by 4 meter of ribbon left. In this way, first we have to read the question and find out what that question asks us. If that asks us for addition, we have to do the addition. If that is asked for subtraction, we have to do the subtraction. Example 20 is also given. The perimeter means the whole part, that is this whole one of this triangle we have to, that is perimeter of a triangle is 13 whole 7 by 20 centimeter. If we measure the area of this triangle, it becomes 13 whole 7 by 20 centimeter. Sorry, the perimeter of this triangle is 13 whole 7 by 20 centimeter. If two of its sides measure 4 whole 1 by 4 centimeter and 3 whole 3 by 5 centimeter, find the measure of the third side. Already we know about this side, about this side, and we know about this total. So we can easily get the distance of this side because we know the total side and we know the sides of this one and this one. How? First we have to add this one and this one, then we have to subtract from the total. So perimeter of the triangle is already given. Because this is given in the mixed fractions, so you have to convert into fractions. So it becomes 267 by 20 centimeter. Sum of the two sides is 4 whole 1 by 4 centimeter plus 3 whole 3 by 5 centimeter. It becomes this much. Because these two are unlike fractions, so we have to first find out the LCM of 4 and 5, here denominators. So in this way it becomes this much. Then the third side, how we will get? From the perimeter, if we subtract sum of the two sides, we will get it. So it becomes this much only, students. Okay, in this way we can solve any word problems what are given. Thank you, students.